Hi! In front of me is Nokia C12, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this Nokia. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing this free app from this developer. Launcher iOS-16. When your app is ready, open it. Now choose while using the app. Click on Allow. And swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Home button. When you finished, choose Devices Settings and Access Apps section. Then click on Default Apps. Tap on Home app and choose iOS Launcher in order to apply it. So now when I click on Got It, as you can see, I need to select OK and then Apple Layout. Finally, was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by accessing Settings again and clicking on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!